Charlesglen Toyota in Calgary's Northwest Auto Mall. This is a 2010 Toyota Tacoma SR5. The black exterior and a light gray interior. The remote keyless entry. Power windows, traction control. A leather wrapped steering wheel with mounted audio controls. We have a backup camera in this vehicle with an auto dimming rear view mirror. Climate control, and a center mounted shifter. Plenty of cargo space or passenger space back here for the rear passengers, as well as these seats do fold to give you even more space. Box liner already installed in this vehicle. Side adjustable hooks and extra storage compartments in the side. Running boards already installed on this vehicle. Very comfortable cloth supportive seats here. And the rubber floor mats are continued into the passenger seat as well. So this is the V6 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This is just one of the Tacomas we have in stock at Charlesglen. Visit our website today at www.charlesglentoyota.com or visit our showroom in Calgary's Northwest Auto Mall.